During a home inspection, a wood-burning fireplace can cause a lot of concerns for a prospective home buyer, but it shouldn't. There are usually simple culprits causing malfunctions in a chimney that can easily be fixed. The first thing I look at is the back of the firebox. When a fireplace is working properly, the hottest point is going to be right down here at the bottom. It's going to burn off all the soot and leave you with this white semicircle. If the bottom center of the firebox is black with soot, the white hot spots are scattered, or there's soot on the lintel, which is right under the mantle, that means that smoke is rolling back into the fireplace from the chimney. There are a few ways to fix this. First, check the outside to see if there are any tree branches or other obstructions that could be restricting airflow near the chimney. If there are, you'll need to hire a landscaper to come out and cut them away, which can cost a few $100s depending on the extent of the obstruction. If there isn't an outdoor obstruction, then it's possible that the chimney isn't tall enough to pull air out from the house. This would require raising the chimney a few feet, which depending on your roof and chimney could get expensive. However, a wood-burning fireplace without proper airflow shouldn't be a deal breaker. A temporary way to adjust for the chimney is to crack open a nearby window whenever you light a fire, and that way you'll introduce air elsewhere from the house. By doing that, you allow for more suction through the chimney to pull the smoke out. It's not the best solution, but it'll work. Another thing I check for is the presence of creosote, which is a tar-like substance that forms on the inside of your chimney. It's no good because it can cause chimney fires, which are rare, but they can also be very dangerous because they can cause a whole house fire. Creosote usually forms when you burn pine, so FYI, don't burn pine in your fireplace. If you suspect that you have creosote in your chimney or the home inspector has pointed it out to you, you can call a Chimney Sweep, and for a few $100, they'll really clean it out. Some places sell cleaning logs that claim to burn off the creosote. That may work for small amounts. However, you're better off just hiring a Chimney Sweep so you know you've removed all the creosote from the entire chimney. Some inspectors will recommend that a chimney flue needs to be relined, but in my experience, it may not be necessary. Code requires that the flue of a chimney is surrounded by at least 8 inches of masonry, so the odds of it breaking down so much that it needs to be relined to prevent a house fire are slim. In general, don't let the concept of a wood-burning fireplace scare you. Fireplaces and chimneys were built to last. With a little bit of knowledge and the proper care, yours will work just fine.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.